introducing jokes.
The scanners at the port, there has been perennial failures of the scanners at the port. Every container must be scanned. And when the scanners are down, it means tea cannot be exported out of this country. And this has serious negative impact on the tea producers and the tea exporters in this country. So it is our appeal to the government that the system challenges caused by the implementation of ICMS should be adequately looked at, because most of the time the ICMS system is down. It therefore means that exporters cannot ship out teas real time.
Cost on damages, demurrage, cost on logistics, that is to do with transport, because all the containers that go to the port are transported from the warehouses. Loss of sale resulting to a lot of stocks that are currently held by our warehouses, and that vessel delay surcharge, and all these will have to be met by the exporters. Ships could even stop coming to our port and divert and go to other ports.